Step into this backyard oasis and prepare to be transported to a realm of tranquility and charm. The tiered edging design is the piece de resistance, a masterful arrangement that harmoniously blends elements of nature and design to create a visual feast for the eyes. Layers of rocks, plants, and mulch cascade gracefully, creating depth and dimension that captivate the imagination. As you meander through this enchanting landscape, you'll discover hidden nooks and crannies waiting to be explored, each one offering a new perspective and a sense of wonder. It's the perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining alike, with ample space for lounging and mingling amidst the lush greenery and natural beauty. Whether you're unwinding with a book in hand or hosting a gathering with friends and family, this backyard oasis is sure to leave a lasting impression. With its tiered edging design and irresistible allure, it's a slice of paradise right in your own backyard. Picture perfect and oh so inviting, this well-manicured backyard is a sanctuary of serenity and charm. As you step onto the winding stone pathway, you're greeted by a symphony of tranquility, with each step leading you deeper into a realm of natural beauty. Lush greenery frames the pathway, creating a verdant embrace that soothes the soul and delights the senses. Along the edges, small decorative pebbles add a touch of whimsy and texture, infusing the scene with understated elegance. It's as if every element has been carefully curated to evoke a sense of peace and harmony, inviting you to wander and ponder amidst nature's embrace. In this enchanting space, time seems to stand still, allowing you to bask in the beauty of the moment and savor the simple joys of life. Step into this backyard retreat, where modernity meets tranquility in a seamless fusion of sleek design and natural beauty. The sleek metal landscape edging serves as a striking frame, accentuating the neatly trimmed lawns and geometric flower beds with effortless sophistication. Each line and angle is carefully considered, adding a touch of architectural elegance to the outdoor space. As you wander through this oasis of contemporary charm, you'll be captivated by the clean lines and minimalist aesthetic that define the landscape. The neatly trimmed lawns provide a serene backdrop against which vibrant blooms burst forth from their geometric beds, creating a visual symphony of color and form. Whether you're seeking a quiet moment of reflection or hosting a stylish soiree under the stars, this backyard retreat offers the perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment alike. With its sleek metal edging and modern sensibility, it's a testament to the power of design to elevate the outdoor experience to new heights of elegance and sophistication. Step into this backyard paradise and prepare to be captivated by its serene beauty and tranquil ambience. The intricate lattice edging serves as a delicate frame, enveloping a tranquil pond that glistens like a jewel in the sunlight. Around its shores, colorful aquatic plants sway gently in the breeze, their vibrant blooms adding bursts of color to the scene. Decorative stones dot the landscape, adding texture and interest to this idyllic oasis. As you gather with loved ones in this peaceful haven, the pond becomes the focal point of outdoor gatherings, drawing guests in with its irresistible charm. Whether you're lounging on the patio or mingling by the water's edge, the soothing sounds of trickling water and the gentle rustle of leaves create a sense of harmony and relaxation. In this backyard paradise, time seems to stand still as you immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and the warmth of shared moments with friends and family. It's a place where memories are made and laughter fills the air, leaving you refreshed, rejuvenated, and grateful for the simple joys of life. Step into this backyard oasis and prepare to be enchanted by its picturesque charm. Neatly trimmed hedges stand tall, creating a sense of order and elegance as they line the perimeter with precision. But it's the colorful flowers that steal the show, peeking out from behind their verdant guardians like playful sprites in a storybook garden. Their vibrant hues paint a kaleidoscope of joy against the lush green backdrop, infusing the space with warmth and vitality. As you stroll through this idyllic scene, you can't help but feel a sense of welcome wash over you, as if nature itself is extending its open arms in greeting. Truly, this backyard is a haven of beauty and serenity, beckoning you to linger a while and soak in its splendor. Step into this enchanting backyard retreat, where the gentle murmur of cascading water beckons you to unwind and rejuvenate amidst nature's embrace. Here, a cascading waterfall edging, crafted from natural stone, takes center stage, its graceful descent evoking a sense of elegance and serenity that washes over the outdoor space like a gentle breeze. Surrounded by lush foliage, the waterfall becomes a focal point of tranquility, its soothing presence inviting you to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. As you bask in its gentle embrace, the stresses of daily life melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and calm that permeates your very being. With each ripple and splash, the waterfall creates a symphony of sound that harmonizes with the rustle of leaves and the chirping of birds, creating a multisensory experience that is both immersive and enchanting. Whether you're lounging in the shade of a nearby tree or gathering with loved ones for an outdoor meal, this backyard retreat offers the perfect setting for relaxation, reflection, and rejuvenation. Welcome to your very own backyard sanctuary, where tranquility reigns supreme and the stresses of daily life melt away like dew in the morning sun. Here, curved brick edging serves as the gentle guide, defining meandering pathways that wind gracefully through lush grass and vibrant flower beds. It's a scene straight out of a storybook, where every twist and turn invites you to wander and wonder amidst nature's embrace. As you stroll through this idyllic landscape, you'll feel the weight of the world lift from your shoulders, replaced by a sense of peace and serenity that fills your soul to the brim. The lush grass cushions your footsteps, while the vibrant blooms dance in the breeze, painting the air with their sweet fragrance and brilliant hues. This backyard sanctuary is more than just a place, it's a refuge from the hustle and bustle of modern life, a haven where you can escape, unwind, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. So take a deep breath, leave your worries behind, and let yourself be swept away by the gentle rhythm of nature's song. Welcome to a backyard garden that effortlessly marries the rustic charm of nature with the structured elegance of design. Here, raised wooden flower beds take center stage, their warm hues and organic textures lending a sense of coziness and authenticity to the space. But it's the rustic stone edging that adds a touch of timeless elegance, framing the beds with rugged grace and grounding the garden in earthy beauty. As you wander through this tranquil oasis, you'll find yourself immersed in a harmonious blend of natural elements and carefully crafted design. Each flower bed is a canvas waiting to be adorned with bursts of color and life, while the stone edging provides a sense of structure and definition to the landscape. Together, these elements create a backyard garden that is both inviting and inspiring, a place where the beauty of nature is celebrated and enhanced by thoughtful design. Whether you're admiring the blooms, tending to the plants, or simply enjoying a moment of quiet reflection, this garden is sure to captivate your senses and nourish your soul. Welcome to your backyard haven, where rustic charm meets cozy comfort in a delightful embrace. Timber log edging encloses a cozy seating area, beckoning you to sink into its inviting embrace. Soft cushions invite you to linger a while longer, while blooming shrubs and fragrant herbs envelop the space in a symphony of color and scent. As you settle into this tranquil retreat, the cares of the world melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and contentment that fills your soul. The gentle rustle of leaves and the sweet fragrance of herbs create a soothing backdrop for relaxation, while the rustic beauty of timber logs adds a touch of warmth and character to the scene. Whether you're curling up with a good book, sipping tea with a loved one, or simply soaking in the beauty of your surroundings, this backyard haven offers the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where time slows down, worries fade away, and the simple pleasures of nature take center stage. Welcome to a backyard oasis that exudes modern elegance and bold sophistication. Here, sleek concrete edging takes center stage, defining geometric flower beds with crisp precision. Each angular shape is a testament to contemporary design, creating a visually striking landscape that demands attention and admiration. Within these geometric beds, vibrant blooms burst forth in a riot of color, their petals dancing in the sunlight and infusing the space with energy and vitality. It's a symphony of hues and shapes, a celebration of nature's beauty against the backdrop of sleek, minimalist design. As you wander through this captivating landscape, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of contrasts, soft petals against hard edges, vibrant colors against cool concrete. It's a sensory experience that tantalizes the senses and ignites the imagination, inviting you to explore and discover the hidden treasures of this modern masterpiece. Whether you're lounging in the shade or entertaining guests al fresco, this backyard oasis offers the perfect blend of style and substance, beauty and functionality. It's a testament to the power of design to transform outdoor spaces into works of art, where every angle is a masterpiece and every bloom is a stroke of genius.